Hey, how's it going? Well, I'm working on the van, trying to make a glove box liner. So what I got so far here, I got a pizza box. You can see the stain right there. Just started fitting it, so now basically how it's going to look, and then I will have to put a back on it. I'm going to have to trim it, and I'm not sure how I'm going to make it yet. If I'm going to use fiberglass or what yet. So anyway, let's take it out. So here's what I've come up with for a glove box. It's just cardboard, duct tape, and I glued in some supports on the top here, the bottom. I think I'm just going to use the cardboard as is. It's not pretty, and I put in some strips here so that my pens don't fall out. So anyway, it's kind of ugly, but watch what happens here when I put some carpet inside. Okay, so I put a little piece of carpet in here just to try it out. I got my built up these ridges here, keep my pens from rolling around. Yeah, it's going to look nice. I reinforced the top here. There's two attaching points here. I'm just not sure. Okay, let's have a look at the glove box. It's all finished. Let's see how she looks. Oh, look at that, eh? That doesn't look too bad, eh? Look at the thing for the pen. Works perfect. It's pretty good. Okay, thanks for watching.